everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanamika and I hope everyone is doing great. I am doing great. So, in today's video, I am sharing my top 5 moisturizer that I have been enjoying and loving from the past few years. So, summer is here and we all are looking for great moisturizer, and I felt like I should also share my favorite moisturizer with you all, so तुम्हें दिक्कत ना हो to find your moisturizer. So, okay, but before we start, let me tell you, I do not have two moisturizer with me, but बाकी है. I thought अब मुझे शूट नहीं करना चाहिए just because I do not have that product. तो लोग बोलेंगे अच्छा ये तो झूठ बोल रही, but I think it's okay. नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हैं. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही उसे फेंक दिया ना, मुझे आइडिया आया, so I'm shooting this, but it's okay. So I have 3 moisturizer with me which are my absolute favorite. So without wasting time, let's just get started. Let me show you my favorite moisturizer. So the very first product that I'm going to talk about is my absolute favorite moisturizer. This is something that I've been using for the past more than one. क्या कर रही है मम्मी तुम? I was saying this moisturizer is my absolute favorite. I have been using it from the past more than 1 year, and I keep on going back to this one because it's so good. It's not just lightweight, but at the same time it's moisturizing. I don't know, but if I feel like most of the products which are saying they are lightweight are not enough moisturizing. I mean, I know I'm an oily skin type, but I do need moisturizer as well. It's not like moisturize की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but yeah, that's what I have noticed in most moisturizer, that they claim to be lightweight, but अगर वो lightweight होता है तो they are not enough moisturizing, and I absolutely hate that. But ये moisturizer में ऐसा नहीं है. So I'm talking about Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer. This is my favorite. Okay, this is just not lightweight, it's moisturizing, and this is the reason I stick to this moisturizer for this long. It's an Indian brand. It's from Dr. Sheth, and this one is, well, it says that it's for all skin type. I don't know about that, but for my skin it works pretty well. Yeah. About the texture, it has a very lightweight texture. It's not watery, it's not like a cream. Right amount, how it should be. See, it's super lightweight. पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कहाँ लगाया है, but the amount of glow it leaves, oh my god, look at that. Can you see the difference? It's glowing, and I absolutely love that about this product. It also leaves a really pretty glow that looks like within wala glow. It does not dry out. Yeah, like most of the products लगाने के कुछ घंटों बाद your skin start feeling like a bit dry. I'm an oily skin type, but I still feel like that. But इसमें के साथ ऐसा नहीं होता. If I apply this, it lasts me really long. So yeah, this is one of my favorite moisturizer, and all of these moisturizer are under 500 rupees, so that's a plus point. So the next moisturizer is also my favorite. So this is from Dot & Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer, probiotic and rice water. Okay, at this point of time, I think rice water is my absolute favorite because हर चीज़ में मैं राइस वाटर, जिस चीज़ में भी वो राइस वाटर दिखता है तो मैं ले लेती हूँ. ओके, इट्स क्लेम दैट इट्स फॉर ड्राई कॉम्बिनेशन एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द ड्राई, but I'm someone from oily to combination, and this works great for me. It's a bit thicker than from this one from Dr. Sheth, but again it's lightweight, it's moisturizing, and it does the work. Like अभी का मौसम, it's not very summery, it's June ही है ना, हाँ, it's June, so it's not very summery, but I also need my moisturizer. Then I would actually go with this one because I don't know why. I mean, I just want to, yeah, okay, but पता नहीं क्यों, but like जब एक्सट्रीम गर्मी होगा तो मैं इसे यूज़ करना पसंद करूँगी. नो अदर मॉइस्चराइजर दिस वन, बट लाइक अभी कैसा मौसम है, ना गर्मी है ना ठंडा है, इट्स रेनिंग, सो या, तो ऐसे टाइम के लिए मैं ये मॉइस्चराइज़र प्रेफर करूँगी. There are different type of oily skin, and I am someone who's not that oily, so keep that in mind. I am between like oil to combination, so these works great for me. Another product from Dot and Key. Hello, too many Dot and Key product. Okay, इसका तो लेबल भी हट नहीं है. So this one is Dot and Key 72 hydrating gel and moisturizing plus probiotic. This one is a gel based moisturizer, and वो भी मेरी नाक बंद है तो मुझे स्मेल ही नहीं आ रहा, but this has like a little bit of fragrance. Yeah, अभी okay, this is how it looks. It's super lightweight और like literally water जैसा है. अगर मैं ऐसे ड्रॉप करूँ ना गिर जाएगा, बट मैं वो नहीं करूँगी, मेरी मम्मी मारेगी फिर. ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, एंड इट्स लिटरली लाइक वाटर. फोकस. Yeah, it's super lightweight, so you are like very oily skin, then you might go with this one. And yeah, look at that glow. I don't know, but I have a thing for glowy moisturizer. Glow, anything which give me glow, I want it. This is again one of my favorite moisturizer. दो ये मुझे PR में मिला है, मुझे 3-4 PR में मिल चुका है अब तक, so I don't have to buy it, but मुझे मिलते रहता है तो मैं ले लेती हूँ, बिकॉज आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट है, एंड आई फील लाइक ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट आर वेरी सिमिलर. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मैं एक्चुअली और क्या ही बोल सकती हूँ. दे आर लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड या सो या देयर इज नथिंग मच टू टेल अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट एज वेल, बट या they are very similar, and I love this. Again, I'm just letting you all know my favorite moisturizer. ये सारे almost similar हैं. They're very similar to each other, so you can get any of these. Yeah, you can also get this one. Okay, about the other two moisturizer, which is from Simple, and I'm gonna post the pictures. They are again lightweight and moisturizing. Yeah, okay, for the blue one, which is I feel like it is way more waterier, and it's just like the Dot and Key one, and the green one, the hydrating one, which is more like this one. So yeah, अगर आपके बजट में जो हो उसके हिसाब से आप ले सकते हो. It's up to you what you wanna get. Yeah, again, these moisturizer are super lightweight, moisturizing, and I don't know what else do I need to tell you all about these moisturizer, because they, as I said, they are very similar. So yeah, these are the all product recommendation for moisturizer. If you're looking for a good moisturizing, hydrating moisturizer, you can get these. They are hopefully under 500 rupees. मैं यहाँ शूट करी तो मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि they are very similar, and I think I like these kind of moisturizer, इसलिए मैंने इतने सारे इसी same very similar type, so इसलिए मैं I keep going back to these products. For recently, this is the only product I have been using, and I got this one from my mother. And if you're someone who has similar skin type just like me, गर्मी में थोड़ा oily हो जाता है, and when the weather is nice and good, तब ठीक रहता है. And there are time my skin does need moisturizer, then I go for Bioderma one. Yeah, so it's like जैसे जैसे season change होता है, your skin also need like different moisturizer, because whether it also affect your skin, your surrounding. So yeah, that's it for today's video. This is all I have to say. Yeah, there's nothing much about these products so similar that मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं अलग सा कुछ और क्या बोलूँ. So I hope that I have helped you all finding your favorite moisturizer. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before going, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.